You've probably heard a million times that AI is going to change the world. But guess what? It's not just some future trend anymore. It's happening right now. And ordinary people, maybe just like you, are already using AI to earn real money. The best part, you don't even need to be a coding genius or a tech expert. Today, I'm going to break down 5 real, practical ways people are making an income with AI. So, let's jump right into the first one. AI content creation. Think about it. Every single business needs content. They need blog posts, social media captions, website copy, and advertisements. Before, this took hours of writing and brainstorming. Now, people are using AI tools to generate high-quality drafts in minutes. They can write scripts for videos, craft compelling ad copy, and even outline entire articles. The key here is that businesses aren't paying you for using an AI tool. They're paying you for the final polished content that gets them results. AI is your secret weapon, helping you work 10 times faster, handle more clients, and ultimately make more money. You're not just a writer, you're a content strategist powered by AI. Next up, number 2, AI video creation. Video is king on the internet, but creating it has always been time-consuming and expensive. Not anymore. Creators are now using a whole suite of AI tools to change the game. We're talking about AI-generated avatars that can present a script, realistic AI voiceovers that sound just like a human, and smart editors that can cut and assemble footage automatically. People are creating short-form videos for platforms like TikTok and Instagram, eye-catching video ads for brands, and professional explicable videos for small businesses. They're reselling these video packages to clients who need a constant stream of video content, but do you and Tay have the budget for a full production team? It is a massive opportunity to turn your creative ideas into videos without ever needing to step in front of a camera yourself. The third method is AI image and design services. Every brand needs a visual identity. That means logos, social media, graphics, YouTube, thumbnails, and website banners. In the past, you'd need years of design experience and mastery of complex software. Now, with AI image generators, you can create stunning, professional-grade designs with just a few text prompts. People are offering AI-powered design services on freelance platforms like Fiverr and Up. They're designing complete brand kits, creating custom illustrations, and producing a month's worth of social media posts in a single afternoon. Remember, the client cares about the final result: a logo that looks great and a thumbnail that gets clicks. They don't care if you used Photoshop or an AI tool. If you can deliver high-quality designs quickly, you have a huge advantage. Now, for number 4, which is one of the fastest growing areas, AI automation for businesses. This might sound technical, but it's actually very straightforward. Every small business owner is swamped with repetitive manual tasks. Things like responding to common customer inquiries, sending follow-up emails, generating weekly reports, and scheduling appointments. These tasks eat up valuable time. This is where AI automation comes in. People are setting up simple AI systems for businesses to handle these jobs automatically. They're building AI chatbots for websites, creating automated email marketing sequences, and integrating AI tools that manage calendars and data. Small businesses are more than willing to pay for these services because it saves them hours of work every week and lets them focus on growing their business. You're not just a freelancer, you're an efficiency consultant. And finally, number 5, AI education and consulting. Whenever a new technology emerges, there's a huge demand for people who can explain it in simple terms. You don't need to be the world's leading AI expert to make money here. You just need to be one step ahead of your audience. People are creating online courses, hosting workshops, and offering one-on-one coaching sessions to teach others how to use specific AI tools effectively. Maybe you've gotten really good at using an AI image generator, or you've mastered an AI video editor. You can package that knowledge and sell it. People will pay to save time and avoid the frustration of learning it all on their own. You can start a YouTube channel, a blog, or a newsletter dedicated to teaching AI skills and monetize it through ads, sponsorships, or paid products. So, let's wrap this up. As you can see, AI isn't here to replace people. It's here to replace slow, inefficient work. The people who are successfully earning money from AI right now are the ones who see it for what it is. An incredibly powerful tool. They aren't sitting around waiting to be replaced. They are actively using it to become faster, more creative, and more valuable in the marketplace. Whether you're a writer, a designer, a marketer, or an entrepreneur, there's a way for you to leverage AI. I hope this gave you some practical ideas to get started. If you want more simple explanations about tech and AI that you can actually use, make sure to follow our channel, SmartToon Lab. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.